Wireless home security camera that doesn't require a service sign-up. I am looking for a wireless home security type camera that has an onboard web interface I can access, instead of one that forces me to sign up for an external service, even a free service. I started out years ago with the D-Link DCS 930 and DCS 932L wireless cameras, which allow direct Wi-Fi access, and wrote my own very simple website to access them remotely from my phone. Unfortunately, those cameras gradually stopped working over time, and the direct replacement, the D-Link DCS 936L, has also been discontinued. I have tried more modern camera models from Wise and D-Link, but they have removed all direct access and now demand that you pipe your camera video through their free sites in order to use their hardware. I would rather keep direct control of the video feeds from inside my home, instead of sending them through a server at Google or Ring or D-Link or Wise, where they could be watched by, well, anybody, really. Is anyone aware of a wireless camera that still has this capability? Answer: I've purchased a couple of years ago an in-house wireless camera system made by Taunton, currently available via Amazon. I did not want any requirement for outside network access, and the linked system does not appear to require it. The router engages the cameras automatically and does share my home network, but that merely allows me to view the cameras via my phone on my local network, rather than to have to change to the camera router's network to do so. The image quality is quite good and the installation was easy. Probably the most difficult aspect of installation is mounting the cameras in the desired locations.